Hey, this is Ross with my partner Bob. We have a show called Worldview Matters.
And Ross, as you know, we believe that everything in life is somehow related to how people view the world around them.
Our show is available on iTunes, Stitcher, or your favorite podcast app. Also available on the web at bigbrainsmedia.com.
This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday, the 13th of March. I'm James Spann. It's going to be cold tonight, a freeze likely, a significant late-season freeze. Let's check some of the Skycam shots. Blue sky and sunshine today, but looks a little deceiving. It's windy and pretty chilly. That's the Birmingham Skycam. Temperature's a good 10 degrees below average. Let's look at the Fayette County Courthouse and down south. That's our Gulf Shore Skycam. A cloudless sky there. No rain for the Gulf Coast through the weekend. And again, as we pointed out this morning, the water temperature is around 60. It's pretty cool, and that cooler ocean will limit how warm the air can get near the immediate coast. But they might nudge up toward 70 down there this weekend. Big old deep trough over the east. And it's a cool day today. Look at the 40s over the Tennessee Valley. These are at mid-afternoon. There's only 47 in Cullman. Mostly mid-50s around here. Birmingham at 53. We ought to be in the mid-60s this time of the year. And around the nation, you can see it's very cold up north. That progression of cold air is clearly seen. And tonight's going to be cold. We're expecting upper 20s in most spots early tomorrow morning. The GFS is printing 28, the NAM 29 for Birmingham. But nowhere near the record low for tomorrow morning. You know what that was. 2 above zero set in 1993. We had 1 foot of snow on the ground after the Great Blizzard. Coldest March temperature on record here. Got a red flag warning for many Alabama counties. That's for the high wildfire danger because of the low dew points and the wind. And this is the rain for the next 5 days. This carries us through Monday morning of next week. This shows a little bit, barely enough to measure. And that's our next chance of getting wet will be Monday and Monday night. And we'll review that here in modeling. This is the 12Z GFS, valid at 1 o'clock local time tomorrow afternoon. The troughing over the east is progressive. It's moving along. And down below that, we start the day in the upper 20s, but we climb nicely into the upper 50s. Not as windy as today. Friday, hey, the warm-up really kicks in. All of a sudden, the GFS, the NAM are at 74 on Friday. That'll feel good. And if you like that, you'll like the weekend. There's Saturday. The GFS is printing a high of 75 with a good deal of sunshine. Got a surface boundary north of us. Maybe some showers over Kentucky and extreme northern Tennessee. Should not bother us. Sunday, the front sags to the south, and this is suggesting it could be raining over Tennessee much of the day Sunday, and maybe some rain over the Tennessee Valley of extreme North Alabama. But down this way, we'll leave rain out for now. We'll call it a day with a mixture of clouds and sunshine. Low 70s probably, not quite as warm as Saturday. And then Monday, a pretty strong trough. This is a stronger look north and west of the state. Down below that, the very deep surface low, 992 millibars. That's near Milwaukee with the trailing front. And we'll go to Monday night just after midnight. That front is slicing through Alabama with a batch of showers. And there might be some thunder. But again, that's not really a severe weather look. The surface low is way up in Canada, and the dynamics are much better up there instead of down here. So looks like we'll have a chance of rain Monday afternoon, Monday night, maybe some thunder. And Tuesday, the rain is long gone, and we cool down if this is right. The high would drop to near 60 on Tuesday, and the sky would be mostly sunny. And Wednesday of next week, some moisture shows up just off to the west. We'll jump out to Thursday of next week. This is the 21st of March. And all of a sudden we go wet, very wet if this is right. That's showing rain amounts of almost 2 inches over North Alabama. So looks like we might have a rain event Monday and Monday night, maybe a more significant rain event later next week around Thursday. And the end of the forecast, March 29th, just peeking out there. That looks kind of mild and breezy with maybe some showers around. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And don't forget, if you can, watch us on ABC 3340 News, the live stream, or the television side at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Hi, I'm Steve Sample with Bama Talk. Don't miss a single episode of Bama Talk Show, available now on iTunes, Stitcher, or your favorite podcast app, and on the web at bigbrainsmedia.com.